Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve locked account on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve locked account on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Facebook and you can enter here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.